This is a case about how Miss Morgan maliciously misidentified my client, Casey Jones, because she wanted it to be him.
In the case of the people of the state of Illinois versus Casey Jones, a young man faces a trial by jury for an alleged home invasion and battery against his ex-girlfriend, Kelly Morgan.
Is this a fair and accurate depiction of your injuries? Yes, ma'am.
Attorneys for the prosecution and defense pled their case in court, all under the watchful eye of Colonel David Robertson, Chief Circuit Judge of the 5th Judicial Circuit. Now, if these attorneys look a little too young to have finished law school, that's because they are students in Mr. Mark Fairchild's street law class at Kaiserslautern Senior High School.
Here is the marking on our client's hand. It is on the portion of the index finger.
These aspiring counsels are taking part in a mock trial as a celebration of National Law Day.
For as long as I've been here, Mr. Fairchild has done National Law Day for second semester street law students, so it's been a recurring theme each year.
You were in love with her, correct?
I was.
But just because this trial was only for practice doesn't mean these students are taking the case lightly.
We put in time outside of class during our seminar periods in school, and we had a lot of communication. We had to make sure our argumentative points were available for discussion at any time if anyone had any ideas, and definitely we put hours of time into preparation.
You recognize this photo?
For senior Justin Hebert, a prosecuting attorney, National Law Day was his first experience in the courtroom.
You've been to Miss Morgan's home before, correct? Correct.
But this mock trial is just the first step in what he hopes will be a career in law, starting next year when he attends Wright State University.
I'm majoring in criminal justice, and after that I'm going to keep up my grades and try and get into law school.
After the verdict was read,
So the jury finds not guilty?
legal experts from the U.S. Army and civilian law gave their critiques and handed out awards to the best witnesses and best lawyer.
Justin Hebert.
In the end, though, the defendant was able to walk free, and the students all came away with a realistic courtroom experience. Staff Sergeant John Archquette, Kaiserslautern, Germany.